Question number 1. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? The correct answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 2. Which Indian leader gave the slogan "Do or Die"? The correct answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 3. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? The correct answer is option C. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 4. Which constitutional body conducts election in India? The correct answer is option D. Election Commission of India. Question number 5. Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics? The correct answer is option C. C.V. Raman. Question number 6. Which Indian freedom fighter established the Azad Hind Force? The correct answer is option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 7. Who was the victory of India during the Quit India movement? The correct answer is option D. Lord Linlithgow. Question number 8. Which emperor is known for the propagation of Buddhism? The correct answer is option A. Emperor Ashoka. Question number 9. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start his first Satyagraha in India? The correct answer is option A. Champaran. Question number 10. Which Indian state shares the longest border with Bangladesh? The correct answer is option D. West Bengal. Question number 11. Which mountain range separates Kashmir from Ladakh? The correct answer is option B. Zanskar Range. Question number 12. What is the smallest union territory of India by area? The correct answer is option C. Lakshadweep. Question number 13. Which city is known as the Steel City of India? The correct answer is option A. Jamshedpur. Question number 14. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coal? The correct answer is option C. Jharkhand. Question number 15. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? The correct answer is option C. Indian Constitution. Question number 16. Who is the executive head of a state government in India? The correct answer is option D. Chief Minister. Question number 17. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is option B. President of India. Question number 18. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is option A. Sri Sukumar Sen. Question number 19. Which hill station is located in the Nilgiri Hills? The correct answer is option C. Uti. Question number 20. What is the name of the border between India and China? The correct answer is option A. McMahon Line. Question number 21. What is the process of water turning into vapor called? The correct answer is option B. Evaporation. Question number 22. Which is the biggest stadium in India by seating capacity? The correct answer is option D. Narendra Modi Stadium. Question number 23. The correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Question number 24. Which Indian hill station is called the Queen of the Hills? The correct answer is option A, Darjeeling. Question number 25. In which state of India is the village named Pakistan located? The correct answer is option B, Bihar. Question number 26. Under which tree did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? The correct answer is option C, Papal tree. Question number 27. Which country does not have a single mosque? The correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Question number 28. What is the name of the plastic material commonly used to make gear wheels? The correct answer is option C, nylons. Question number 29. Who was the last Governor General of Independent India? The correct answer is option A, Chakrabarti Rajagopalachari. Question number 30. Who was the founder of the Brahmani Sultanate? The correct answer is option A, Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah.